Hi, this is Lester, and today I'm going to show you how to use the time salary calculator found in timesheetcalc.xyz. So the main purpose of this website is really for this timesheet calculator, but there are other calculators you can use as well, like the time salary calculator, which is used to generate salary of an employee based on worked hours. So this is the main calculator, and these are the output, the total salary, the time, decimal hours. Uh, because if you want to compute the salary, you want to convert it to a decimal hour format, and then also a salary rate. And these are our inputs: the time and the hourly salary rate, like $17 an hour, something like that. So yeah, so let's get into it. How to use the calculator. First off, you just need to choose what time format you want to enter. It's it decimal format, like 8.5 hours means the employee has worked 8 hours and 30 minutes. Or you can use hours and minutes format, like 8 hours and 30 minutes, something like that. So this time format just mainly binds this time input into what kind of format do you want. So yeah, let's just click calculate. If an employee has worked 8 hours and 30 minutes, and his hourly salary is $17 pesos, or uh, what any other currencies, it doesn't matter, it's just a representation. So for example, the employee has $17 an hour rate. So if you calculate, you'll have his salary, equivalent salary is $144.5. And look at this, it's time, 8 hours and 30 minutes in this format, as well as we'll convert that into decimal hours format. That will be 8.5, and the salary is 17. So his total salary would be 144.5. So yeah, it's easy to use this calculator if you just calculate time, like whole numbers, like 8 hours, something like that. But uh, if the employee has worked like 8 hours and 56 minutes, or 8 hours and 43 minutes, that's where this calculator is really helpful for you. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let's try a decimal hours format, like 9 point what 45, something like that, and then we'll calculate that will be the employee salary, and change it to 38 perhaps, and it will just generate the results. If you click and calculate and clear, we'll clear it out. So that is pretty much how to use the time salary calculator. Hope this one helps, and thank you for visiting the website.